Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a really special tool with you guys that I got. This one here is the future of handheld printing. Printisian, they sent me their prototype model here to give it a try, and I've been trying it for a few days, and this thing is just a really super cool tool. And I want to make a video just to kind of show this tool off because I think it's a really neat idea, and all the things it can do I'm really impressed with. So kind of what it can do is it's really a handheld inkjet printer that can print anywhere, and when it says print anywhere, it really does mean anywhere. Printed on wood, plastic, metal, glass, food, skin, pretty much anything you want to print on, it'll print on it. And I'm going to kind of go over it, give you guys a good look at it, all the little accessories that comes with it, and we'll go out into the field and test it on some different things on my construction site. Just show just what this tool can do and where it can be really useful at. Alright, so the first thing of the module that it comes with, this one is a laser alignment tool. So if you want to print something that's bigger than 25 millimeters, sometimes you might, if you want to print a larger logo, you have to make 3 or 4 passes, because this thing can do really big logos instead of just one small little one. So it comes with this laser alignment tool. These things are really easy. It has the pins on there, and that just goes and snaps right into place there. So it snaps right in. Has that laser alignment tool, and it can also be used on this tool here, which is another alignment tool for printing. If you want to print it in a nice straight line, comes with these really nice little rollers here. Rolling that. So that's how that one works. And then this one here, this different module here, has these curved wheels on it, and this is for printing on a pipe. So this is the alignment tools. You can make it bigger or smaller for different sizes of pipes. That's a real neat one for rounded surfaces. And this one here is another alignment tool with has a camera on the bottom. So if you set it up on top of I'd say some little stand, or if you're working in like a factory and you have boxes going underneath, and you want to have maybe it prints out fragile, anything like that, or liquids or barcodes or QR codes, it can do that. So you put your handheld printer in there, you don't have to push the button every time, and when the box goes underneath it, it'll automatically print on each box going underneath it. And also in the box there, of course, it comes with your nice little USB charger. This is another tool that is for printing on small edges, and it comes with 3 different ink cartridges in 3 different colors. Back there, it's real simple design to use. There's the power button, on and off. Has a small little flap here. That's for connecting your USB, so you can load pictures, logos, fonts, templates onto your little USB drive, plug it into there, and you can take your information directly from your USB drive, and you can load it onto your printer here. All right, and this is actually the battery that comes with it. Slides out real easy. And back here, that's for your USB charger that comes with it. Turns there, plugs in there, charges up. About an hour is done. And when you're ready to print again, put it the right way, and snaps into place, and you're ready to go. And back here at your screen, you can do regular, you can do italic, you can do bold, here to the main one, confirm, lots of things like that. And also what we can do is we can push to that one, and we can get that deleted. And you do add your content, all kinds of things in here. You can do text, images, date, QR codes, barcodes, things like that. There's a whole bunch of different things you can print that's already preloaded into there. But you want to print some kind of image, and you can go to the select image. Have all these are the ones that are already preloaded in there. I can go down to my logo there. That one's already loaded up there. And this one is just set to do the 25 by 25. If I wanted to go and make it bigger, I could push on that button there and make it as big as I want. And I have to do 2, 3, 4 passes, doesn't matter. You can make it almost as big as you want. So when I was ready there, that's my logo I want to print out. And go to confirm, and we are ready to go. But logo is ready to go. When you're ready to print, push your start button, and it says it is ready to go. Take your printer and push your button down. Start sliding, and there we go. Printed out real nice, clean, and sharp image. All right, guys. Well, I didn't want to stand behind a table and do a review of this product here and what it can print on, because my real job is building houses and doing work in construction. And that's exactly what I'll be using this tool at, because this is a really, really neat tool to use. And after this video is done, this won't just go into a drawer and never be seen again. This one's going to be on every single job site with me, because it's really useful. And I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what I'm going to be printing with and how this can be useful on a real world job site. So let's go ahead and get some stuff printed. All right, so first touch here. So you probably have to use your imagination a little bit, because this house is almost complete here. But something I would probably use this for is on my framing. I would like to print on the floor, kind of like my door openings. So on the floor here, I just have a little setup here. This is the OSB. This is what my subfloor is actually made out of. So I would put into my printer here that this is a 60 by 80 closet door. It needs to be installed here. I'll go ahead and print that on the floor. And here we are down at the OSB. So this is definitely something I would use this tool for, is in my framing process, is print out my door and window sizes on the floor. This I'll have that for later, and I'll have to go back to the plans and take a guess. And also what I would probably use this for is going to the floors before the drywall comes and marking the floor where the studs are and where the switches are and the outlets and openings in the wall and kind of things like that. And here in my kitchen, it's definitely a really easy thing to write on the floor and mark out where the appliance is going to go. The other thing I'd like to use this for is probably just printing on the floor wherever my appliances are going to go, like in here. It's really easy for the layout. It's really nice on the floor there. Dishwasher, and this is printed on the LVP floor. And I just want to come down to my crawl space here. I'll test it out on the wood here. Just going to put on here just the location of the main water shut off for the house here. See how it prints on the wood here. Yeah, perfect. Make it real nice and clear for whoever's living here that down and over is where the water shut off is. All right, so go ahead and I put the little module on here for rounded surfaces, which is for the pipes here. The little wheels there, I space it out to fit my pipe. And of course, I'm not gonna go under the house and test this on the pipe down there. So I have a scrap piece of my pipe here. And this is something that I probably put on the waste drain and the direction. Let's go ahead and get this one printed out and try the rounded surface printer. Yeah, nice. Prints really nice on plastic there. And on the job site, one of the things that is really annoying is your tools disappearing. So I think this is a real good thing. So I'm gonna try printing on my drill bit set here. Just put my name on it. This is the fabric, so let's see how it does on this one. Yeah, there you go. Prints on fabric real nice. So this is my EV charger there. I'm gonna put my little logo there. Let's see how well it does on this textured drywall. That's pretty good. Printed out real nice there. Let's see how it does on fiberglass. All All right, I have a scrap of tile here. Let's see how well it does on printing on tile. All right, guys, well, back down from the job site. This tool, it printed on everything that I could think of printing on. Printed on fiberglass, on pipe, on the floor, on OSB, on fabric, just everything I could print, it printed well. Uh, the print today came out really clean and clear. The touchscreen of this is really quick and responsive. Super easy tool to use. This won't be the last time you're going to see me use this on the job sites. I'm going to bring this to every job site, I think, because it's going to definitely have a place in my toolbox and get a lot of use on all my future jobs. And really, just your imagination is the limit on what this tool can do. I didn't even go over probably half the things that you could print with this and half the uses that you can actually even use this on. But if you want to get one of these yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go to the website and check it out. Definitely highly recommend the tool. So go out and get yourself one. You won't regret it. So that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one.